Did you know that there are natural ingredients so simple, they're probably already in your kitchen, that can unclog arteries, improve circulation, and put an end to leg pain in just a few weeks? Modern science has already proven it. These foods have properties that can reduce inflammation, dissolve fatty plaques, and restore energy to the body. It's not a miracle, it's nature working as the best pharmacy. And if you suffer from heavy legs, swollen ankles, tingling, tiredness when walking, or chest pain, you need to know about these 7 natural remedies that I'm about to reveal. And stay with me until the end, because besides those, I'm going to teach you a secret recipe from Ayurvedic medicine, used for centuries in India to strengthen immunity, protect against disease, and increase the longevity of its people. Before revealing the 7 natural remedies that clean arteries and improve circulation, I want to give you a simple win that you can apply today and already feel a difference. Replace your first drink of the day. Instead of strong black coffee or milk, have a glass of warm water with a few drops of lemon, a pinch of turmeric powder, and a pinch of unrefined salt. This combination is powerful. The lemon helps the liver eliminate toxins, the turmeric acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, and the unrefined salt replenishes essential minerals that activate circulation first thing in the morning. But pay attention. Here is a detail that almost no one mentions. Common table salt goes through a refining process that strips away its minerals, leaving behind practically just sodium chloride, which in excess burdens the heart and raises blood pressure. On the other hand, unrefined salt like sea salt or Himalayan salt retains magnesium, potassium, and other minerals that help balance the body, improve circulation, and reduce fluid retention. This simple morning habit alone can make your legs feel less heavy, boost your energy early on, and bring more lightness to your day. Now the time has come for the content that can transform your life. First natural remedy, ginger and turmeric tea. Ginger is known for warming the body and activating circulation, while turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory that protects the joints and helps reduce pain. Together they form a powerful duo against swelling and stiffness in the legs. To prepare, simply boil a cup of water, turn off the heat, and add a piece of grated fresh ginger with a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Cover for 5 minutes and finish with a pinch of black pepper. The best time is in the morning on an empty stomach. Second natural remedy, beetroot and lemon juice. Beetroot is rich in natural nitrates, which dilate blood vessels and increase oxygen flow to the muscles. This gives you more stamina, improves your energy levels, and reduces tiredness when walking. When combined with lemon, the antioxidant effect is even greater, protecting the arteries. Preparation is simple. Blend half a raw beetroot with the juice of half a lemon and a little water. Consume it without sugar, preferably before walking or exercising. Third natural remedy, garlic tonic with lemon and honey. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that can reduce blood pressure, dissolve fatty plaques, and improve blood fluidity. When combined with lemon and honey, it cleans the arteries and strengthens the heart. To make it, mash 1 small clove of garlic. Let it rest for a few minutes and then mix it into half a cup of warm water with the juice of half a lemon and a teaspoon of pure honey. Take it at night, away from dinner. Fourth natural remedy, warm water with lemon, turmeric, and unrefined salt. This is a combination used for centuries to purify the body. The lemon helps eliminate toxins, the turmeric reduces inflammation, and the unrefined salt replenishes minerals that refined salt doesn't have, like magnesium and potassium, which are essential for good circulation. Preparation is simple. In a cup of warm water, add the juice of half a lemon, a pinch of turmeric, and a pinch of unrefined salt. Drink it on an empty stomach right after waking up. Fifth natural remedy, green tea with mint and lemon peel. Green tea is rich in catechins, substances that help reduce bad cholesterol and clean the arteries. Mint aids in digestion, and the lemon peel provides flavonoids that strengthen blood vessels. It's a refreshing and protective drink. To prepare, steep 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves, a few mint leaves, and strips of lemon peel in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. Drink it without sugar, preferably after lunch. Sixth natural remedy, rosemary and orange peel infusion. Rosemary is a natural stimulant for circulation, used since ancient times as a tonic for the body and mind. When combined with orange peel, which is rich in flavonoids, it helps reduce swelling and improve the health of blood vessels. To make it, boil a cup of water, turn off the heat, and add a sprig of rosemary and a few strips of orange peel. Let it steep for about 8 minutes. Drink it in the mid-afternoon, when swelling tends to be at its worst. 7th natural remedy, hibiscus and cinnamon tea. Hibiscus is known for helping to control blood pressure and reduce fluid retention, while cinnamon improves circulation and provides a warming sensation that relieves heaviness in the legs. Together, they are a powerful remedy for arteries and the heart. To prepare, place 1 teaspoon of dried hibiscus and a piece of cinnamon stick in a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 5 to 8 minutes and then strain. Drink it at night before bed. Now that you've learned about the 7 natural remedies, I want to give you a special recipe that combines the best of them into a single preparation. It's simple, affordable, and can become a daily habit to keep your arteries clean, your legs light, and your energy renewed. This recipe originates from ancient Mediterranean traditions, where long-lived people have always used roots, spices, and citrus fruits to strengthen the heart and invigorate the body. What was once a popular ritual now has scientific backing as a powerful ally against poor circulation. Ingredients: 1 small piece of fresh ginger, grated juice of half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of freshly ground black pepper, a pinch of unrefined salt, sea salt, or Himalayan salt, 1 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of pure honey, optional to soften the taste. Preparation: heat the water until it's very warm but not boiling. Turn off the heat and add the grated ginger and turmeric. Stir, cover, and let it rest for 3 to 5 minutes. Then add the lemon juice, black pepper, unrefined salt, and honey, stirring well. How to use: drink this mixture on an empty stomach 3 times a week. This is the time when the body is most receptive. The intestines absorb the compounds better, and the effect on circulation is enhanced. Benefits: it stimulates the blood to flow freely, reducing heavy and swollen legs. It helps cleanse toxins and fats from the arteries. It strengthens immunity with antioxidants and minerals. It reduces inflammation that causes joint pain. It works as a true natural lubricant for blood vessels. Within a few weeks of use, you may feel more energy, less fatigue, and even an improvement in sleep quality, since balanced circulation also calms the heart. Besides these powerful drinks, there is an almost forgotten habit that makes all the difference in leg strength. In long-lived regions like Sardinia and Icaria, it's common to see the elderly spending part of their day squatting or sitting on the floor instead of using chairs all the time. This simple act forces the body to get up and sit down multiple times, strengthening thighs, hips, and ankles. For you, the adaptation is easy. Practice sitting down and standing up from a chair without using your hands for support. Start with a few repetitions, at your own pace. This activates deep muscles, improves balance, and drastically reduces the risk of falls. This natural exercise done every day is one of the secrets that explains why so many centenarians in the blue zones can walk steadily and without pain, even after the age of 90. Did you enjoy learning about these natural remedies and this simple tip of squatting to strengthen your legs? If you did, share this video with 3 people in your family who also need to take care of their circulation and legs. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell, and write in the comments here, "I want to live light and without pain." I will follow each comment closely. Remember, nature offers the best remedies. You just need to use them wisely. Take care of your legs, strengthen your body, and you will gain years of life with health and freedom. May God bless you and your family with peace, energy, and longevity. See you in the next video.